by dual position, we mean that the box ends can be mounted either straight forward to plow and control and push material, or they can also be rotated slightly outward to control more material next to sidewalks and things. Now, reversible box ends means that I can take them completely off the front side and mount them on the back. How important is this feature? It doubles your productivity because you can work it forward and reverse. Also, the operator is able to direct material left or right by angling the rake. Angling is accomplished with the use of a sliding steel tube and a pull pin.
Right, I've raised the adjustable barrier completely up so that a lot of the material can pass through because it's so wet and sticky, it's slowing down my production. It's an important part to have this adjustable barrier. Raise it up when it's wet, drop it back down when you want to do finish work, and end up with that right particle size. You can see it's a very rough undersurface. The seed settles down into those little dimples, very much like a golf ball surface. The high spots of those dimples dry out before the lower ones, setting up lots and lots of small stress cracks, allowing moisture to come out from underneath the soil and feed the seed. The material that's left on top then has a rough surface to lay on. When it rains, it interlocks, much like two egg cartons sitting upside down on top of each other, and stabilizes the whole surface so it doesn't flow around with the rain and wind. Another great feature of the Harley M-Series Power Box rakes is the adjustable gauge wheels. Each wheel independently adjustable. Gives you extra capabilities. It also turns the Harley Power Box rake into a precision grading tool. What do I mean? Well, by adjusting the wheels, it gives you the capability to level perfectly for those fine detaching jobs or perfect leveling jobs. Another capability is, for instance, raise up one wheel, drop the other one down. It allows that power box rake to lean in, and then of course, coupled with the angle, allows that material to be run uphill and cut a drainage grate in between two houses. Simply reverse, come back and cut the other side. Adjustability is capability.
The design of the drivetrain is what we call low profile. What that means is all of the drivetrain components are up here rather than down in the dirt. And what's more, the low profile means that as you're digging, you're not just teeth deep, you're teeth and drum deep in the dirt. Your teeth and drum are allowed to do the work, and your investment is up here. Another area where we've focused our engineering efforts is on the roller bearings. It's an unfortunate fact of life that these bearings have to do their job down in the dirt. To protect them, we start with a proprietary triple lip sealed bearing that helps keep the grease in and keep the moisture out. To further protect them, we add steel shields that protect that bearing from abuse. And finally, we add machined, heat-treated steel collars over the outsides of those steel shields. You get triple protection, which means that your bearings are going to be unaffected by wire or rope or any other trash that might accumulate there. Long life, low maintenance.